Hello, fellow YouTubers and subscribers. It's me again here. Just doing a little in-between video of my RB25 rebuild here. I'm not funded by anybody, so it takes a little bit to get parts. Anyways, there's more of those videos to come. So anyways, this is just a short video. We're going to show you how to change your gear shifter knob. Mine's pretty easy. You just unscrew it. And back there at Christmas, my aunt couldn't find me anything, so she got me this. Let's see if it'll zoom in. It's a limited Sears 24 karat gold box gear shifter. It's really, really heavy. Anyways, all you do is, screw it on. It's pretty simple, but I'm just going through my parts that I've got. Center it. It's nice and heavy. It really goes. Anyways, I'll do another video here to come with how to change this, how to change your steering wheel to a hub and release and whatnot. And yeah, so we got a few more videos to come. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe.